Dear children, welcome to our CSN English Club. I have finished this lesson Gandikota, the Grand Canyon of India, in two parts, part 1 and part 2. Now let's go to the part 3, that is textual exercise on this part, on this lesson. Let's see glossary first. Architecture. Architecture means, what is meant by architecture? Any particular style of building design, that is called architecture. Astounding, this is an adjective. Surprisingly impressive. Allure, this is verb. Extremely attractive. Adorned, made for beautiful. Serene, calm and peaceful. Appealing, attractive or interesting. Quirky, unusual. Gushing, float of something in a rapid and plentiful stream. These are all the meanings of hard words. Now let's go to question part. There are two questions given here. The first question, write one of the interesting things you like the most in the new article. The second one is, what is the right time to visit Gandikota? Why? Let's see the answers to these questions. The first question is, write one of the interesting things you like. The first question is, write one of the interesting things you like the most in the views article, in news article. And in news article lo, this lesson is in the form of news article. ఈ న్యూస్ ఆర్టికల్లో అదే ఈ లెసన్లో ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ థింగ్ ఒక్కటి రాయమని చెప్పారనమాట. వన్ ఆఫ్ ద మోస్ట్ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ థింగ్స్ ఐ లైక్ ద మోస్ట్ ఇన్ ద న్యూస్ ఆర్టికల్ ఈజ్ ద ఫోర్ట్ హ్యావింగ్ ఏ 5-mile perimeter wall guarding it, and this fort has an impressive history as it was once undefeatable stronghold of its time. It was built in such a manner that the Gandikota Gorge provides it a natural defense on the north and west sides. This is the interesting thing that I like most in the news article. Second one, what is the right time to visit Gandikota? Why? The best time to visit this place, Gandikota, is between September and February, as the weather during this time is comparatively pleasant. Summers are too hot and there will be significantly low water levels. The canyon seems less appealing. Now let's go to true or false section. The first one, gorges are formed because of rock erosion over a long period of time. What is this? This statement is true or false? This is mentioned in the lesson. The gorges are formed because of rock erosion over a long period of time. This is true. So this is right statement. A 5-mile perimeter wall around Gandikota Fort is constructed to protect it. To protect that court, that wall is constructed. So this is also true statement. Gandikota, the Grand Canyon of India, is only one such a place in the world. Only one such a place in the world here, that is mentioned here. But there is another place in the world, the original Grand Canyon of India, that is in Arizona, US. So this is the second place. It looks like, it resembles Grand Canyon of India, Arizona. Next one, Gandikota is an example of artificial architecture, but it is natural architecture. So this is also false statement. Gandikota can only be reached by road. Gandikota can only be reached by road. This is also false statement. We can reach Gandikota by aeroplane, by train, or by road. So this is also false statement.